Unless that man is a single father himself and looking for a mom for his child, I would never recommend that that man become a stepfather to someone else's child. That doesn't make sense to me. I would never tell my son that. So I can't sit on camera and tell you that. No, what we need to be trying to do is build whole families. Meaning you and I get together, we have a child and we stay together. We work through our issues. We find a way to keep love in the house. We find a way to put that child first and what that child needs first. But we're having children as if they're accessories to life. As if they're pets. As if they're a new car. As if they're a house. Oh, I want a couple kids, so I'm going to go have a couple kids. Not understanding that these kids need something too. Do y'all understand how much better as a people we would be, even on this land that we don't own? If our heritage wasn't broken up, if our families weren't split apart during slavery, if we had years upon years upon years upon years of history passed down to us, we would still be okay because at least we would know who we are. When we have children, that child needs to see their mother, their father. They need to know where they get both parts of why they look the way they look, why they do the things they do. Take the brat, for example. Her and her wife just had a biracial child. That child will never be able to identify with half its blood. Do y'all know how many children are walking around now who don't know who their father is? How many times have we seen on Maury someone go on saying this man is the father and that man isn't? And they don't even have a clue of who the father is. Why should men step up to become stepfathers for their mistakes? It's time that we let people live with the decisions they made. If they want to follow the Ebony K. Williams route and go and select a sperm donor, fine. They bring a child into this world. Hopefully the child has a good life. But don't look for a man to come save you out that situation when you made that decision yourself. So I would never recommend that a man go out and become a stepfather when they can just go out and become a father. A father to a woman who wants to have the father in the home and raise a child properly. Because this is what we are missing in our communities. We are missing whole families.